Students, in this video we will study about some common functions provided by MS Excel 2010. Here it has been given auto sum, average, max, and today. We are going to study about all these functions today in this video. So you can see the data has been given in each tab. In today there is no data, so we'll discuss about that thing in the last of the video. Now we are coming on the auto sum. Actually, students, you can see that AutoSum is available on Home tab in Editing group. You can see here AutoSum option is available here, and we are getting here sum, average, count numbers, max, mean. That means except sum, it is also providing other functions also. That means we can access these functions from here. Students, we can get AutoSum option also in Formulas tab. You can see here AutoSum option is available. By clicking them, we are getting the same functions has been given: sum, average, count numbers, max, and mean. Now we are moving again on Home tab. Again I am coming in that cell. We are going to use that one, use of AutoSum. This is the record. Roll number 1, 2, 3 has been given. Name has been given Ruchi, Prakash, Sarika, and for subject English, Hindi, Maths, and Science. In English, their marks is 49, 68, 80. In Hindi, 80, 52, 72. In Maths, 81, 57, and 60. In Science, 45, 60, and 55. So now we are going to use AutoSum in this one. By this we can get, actually students, AutoSum is the fastest way to get the sum of a given range, and it is selected by this option provide this facility that is select itself the range. Now we are going to use this one. You can see after clicking AutoSum we are getting a sum option, that means sum function, equal sign sum function, and you can see a cell range is automatically selected, C2 to F2. Okay students, now enter it, and we are getting the result 255 of Ruchi. This is the total marks of Ruchi in for subject. Now we are copying this formula, same formula, in the next two rows. Okay, now we are getting the marks of Prakash, it is 237, and marks of Sarika is 267. Now we are moving on the next function, that is sum. In sum we are using this function. We are writing equal sign, after then writing sum function and giving opening parenthesis and selecting the range. Okay, C2 to F2. Data is same, so after closing parenthesis and entering that one, we are getting total. So sum is returns the total of the given range. Okay students, so 250 is here. Now we are copying the formula by using autofill option in next two rows. Now we are getting total marks of Prakash is 237 and total marks of Sarika is 267. Okay students, now we are moving on the average function. Here we are going to get average. So in first we will get a average of 4 subject, that is English, Hindi, Maths, and Science, and that is the record of Ruchi. So I am typing the function average, and after then I am giving opening parenthesis and cell range. I am typing C2 colon sign F2. You can see here it is selected already. You can see here, and now I am closing this one. After enter, we are getting the result here 63.75. This is the average of 4 subject. What marks has been given? It is the average of 4 subjects. That is related to Ruchi. I am copying the same formula by autofill option in next 2 rows. We are getting here average of Prakash is 59.25 and average of Sarika is 66.75. Okay, now we are moving on the next function, that is max. Max returns the highest value in the selected cell or given range. Now I am going to use that one, equal sign max, and I am giving opening parenthesis, after then giving cell range C2 colon sign F2. Okay students, now I am closing this by closing parenthesis and entering. You can see that in 4 subject, her highest marks in maths 81, and now we are copying the same formula in the next 2 rows. You can see Prakash got in English 68, that is my highest marks, and Sarika got 80, that is her highest marks in English. We can get the maximum value of given cell range. That means in all this range we can get the highest value. So we are giving that one, that is we are selecting after opening parenthesis, after then we are selecting the range. You can see it is selected C2 to F4, that is the last cell and that is the first cell. So it is range, and cell range has been given now, and now I am closing this by closing parenthesis and entering. You can see that in the given range 81 is the highest marks that is scored by Ruchi in maths. Okay students, by this we can get the maximum marks of the given range, or we can select the range according to data what is available. Now we are coming on the last one, that is today. It don't need too much data, because the work of this functions to return the current date. So what is the date today? We are going to get equal sign today, and after then we are typing here opening and closing parenthesis. Okay students, after entering we are getting the current date in which we have typed this formula, typed this function. Okay students, now I am entering. So you can see current date it is showing. This is the current date, 30 August 2020. So by this you can understand that on which day this video is recorded.